Hi everyone, and welcome back to another episode of Cactus Minute. In today's episode we are having a look at a Astrophytum Asterias. I don't know the exact type that this one is, but I come out and seen this incredible flower open up. It's a dual tone, so it's pink and like a nice sort of peachy sort of yellow colour. Very unique for Astrophytum, which generally have rather plain flowers, but this one here is quite unique. Thin petals, but lots of them, and that incredible two-tone, which I just think is absolutely beautiful. So this guy here is around a year old, a little more, a little less maybe, and he's grafted onto Perisciopsis. And I'll just turn him around so you can see the body. So sort of mild flecking. He's got lots of offsets coming off, which I don't usually like the look of. But considering the incredible flower that this guy's put on, I'm more than happy for him to make babies so that I can propagate and make some more of this one here. Astrophytum Asterias are a fairly hybridized variety of cacti. You'll find there's lots and lots of different types of them, and this one here is probably a mixture of a bunch of different ones. Pretty fluffy and a really cool shape, but the highlight of this guy is definitely the flower, which is unusual again, because usually it's the form of Astrophytum that they're grown for rather than the flower. But this one here I think is probably equal to most cacti flowers in terms of vibrancy, size and everything like that. Now Astrophytum Asterias are one of the more tricky cacti to grow. They are very rot prone. They get sunburnt quite easily, and they take a long time to recover as well. So in terms of difficulty scale, I'll put the Asterias around probably a 7 to an 8. They're at the higher end of the difficulty level, but they're very rewarding in terms of the way they look. And in this particular guy's case, the flower, which I can't get over. There's no scent, but that's quite common for cacti. Very few of them actually have scented flowers. So yeah, this guy's been grafted for around a year, and if he was seed grown, we're probably expecting this plant to be around 2 to 3 years old. So it's pretty incredible what grafting can do. And the soil mix is just a straight organic mix with a handful of stones just for why not, but you can grow Perisciopsis in pretty much anything. They are a little bit like a weed, but big fan of this guy, and really happy to see this flower. Alright everyone, thanks for watching, and as always, happy gardening. Bye.